Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're at Copart again, guys, the insurance right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we picked we won a 2010 Volkswagen Jetta TDI with only 84,000 miles, clean title, here in the front right. We want to see what we got, guys, and that car is worth about between $11,000 and $12,000 clean retail, because it's clean title. There is no salvage, it's supposed to be no deployed airbags. So stay with us to see what we get, guys. Okay guys, it's coming right there. That's the Jetta, that's the damage right here. Let's see what we got ourselves into. It looks good from distance. This is it. Let's see what we got now. It looks pretty good. Somebody took really good care of it. You can see it has the clear protective film on the hood and the bumper cover as well. So that's not even a scratch, that's part of the plastic there. Okay, and let's see what we got inside. It's supposed to be real good condition. Okay, seats, as you can see, they're like brand new. Carpet is just a little bit dirty, but we'll detail it, make that thing like brand new again. Okay, right there. Well, we have some baby socks in the back, but you can see so far it looks pretty good. To see if it's going to start and run and drive. It has a little bit of a suspension damage, we'll show you in a second. That's what it looks like. Okay, let's see if the battery is dead all the way, which probably is. Alright guys, first thing to do before you start the auction vehicle, check if it has oil. This one is full. Check for coolant level is good on this one. Battery is dead. We have that little jump starter that will probably not be able to start it, but if in case it doesn't, what we will do, we'll just take it to the shop and try it there. But let's see if the screens and everything else works. Okay, 84,603 miles. Yeah, it will not start because it needs quite a bit of power, but let's see if the radio works. Let's see what we have in the trunk. Sometimes just the way they rack them, that's what they leave inside. Okay, we have, I don't know what is that, guys. It's a chair or a bed or something. Yeah. so we can take a nap. That's pretty comfy. We can use it at the shop, guys. Even has a cup holder on the side. What are we talking about? A big deal right here. So we get a free chair with the deal. We'll see if we will be able to start it, but you can see it's in super good condition. Exhaust looks super clean, even being a diesel TDI, and it's the one with the blue eye on the back. Okay, and now that's the damage, guys, right here. Let's just walk around and see what it looks like. Okay, the door, as you can see, it needs to be adjusted because we'll be replacing it. We have a parts car, remember, that we picked from Arkansas, so we'll be using that one. So the fender definitely will need to be replaced, the front door, and the rear door is fixable. We have some suspension damage, so we'll inspect it at the shop. We'll take it there and see what the damage is, but most likely it is the outer tie rod. Okay guys, we got it at the shop now. It's time to see if that thing is going to start or not. Battery is completely dead. Okay, let's see what the deal is now. If we will be able to, or we need to charge it or replace it. Okay, we have the key in. Huh? Let's see now. Oh, fired up, guys. Fired up. Okay, we're going to have a few warning messages, of course, because of Volkswagen. Almost any new vehicle that had that battery, you need to drive it probably about 200-300 yards before you have the steering wheel adjusted, the traction control system, because all the ABS sensors need to activate. Even the tire being bent, guys, we will try to get it to the shop. Okay, it's driving, so that's a good sign. There is no noise coming out of the transmission or engine, so it is just a minor suspension damage. It looks like an outer tie rod. Okay, we'll check it in a little bit, make sure we don't hit the Rover here that we started on and the Mercedes that we always pull with. or at least if we decide to hit the side that it's already smashed, so we don't need to fix the other one as well. Okay, almost here. That thing sounds amazing, it's so quiet. You cannot even tell it's diesel, you cannot hear the engine inside of it. You have all the menus inside. You can see that thing is pretty fancy. You can pair an iPhone. Okay, ESP error, that's because we need to drive the vehicle more. You can change language, convenience, light, vision, almost anything you can do with that thing. So now the only thing that doesn't work is the radio, and we'll see what's wrong with that thing, because it looks like it's a pretty new unit, hasn't been used, so we need to see what's wrong with it now. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.